Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an egg wash, and then we're going to use the egg wash to coat shrimp to get ready to deep fry those. And it's a pretty simple method, but before we get started, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to our channel, that'd be great. We sure would appreciate that. And let's go ahead and get started in this video on how to make an egg wash. So the first thing we're going to need is 2 eggs. We have those here. So we're going to go ahead and put those in our bowl, our mixing bowl. And then what we want to do is, after we put the eggs in the mixing bowl, we want to take a whisk and we're going to whisk them together. Pretty simple to make an egg wash. So now we've got those put together. Now the next thing we're going to need is we're going to use 2 cups of milk. I'm going to add that to the eggs. And we'll go ahead and whisk the milk and the eggs together for our egg wash. And we'll use this egg wash to dredge the seafood, the shrimp in this case that we're going to be using in this. And then we'll use that shrimp and egg wash to go through our coating, which is going to be a seafood breader. And we'll get into that here in just a minute. But for right now, just making our egg wash, and you will see that everything's blended together and our egg wash is now ready to be used. Pretty simple. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the breader and we're going to bread some shrimp. Okay, so the next step that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and prepare our seafood breader, and this is seafood breader, 2 cups of seafood breader, and this is made by House Archery. You can use whatever kind you want, but this is House Archery that we're using here. And we're also going to add something to that. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Old Bay to our breader. Just give it some more spice and some more taste when you fry your seafood. So now what we want to do, and one little trick is when you put your shrimp in the egg wash and then when you put it into the breader, you want to make sure just to use one hand. That way you can only have one hand that's going to be covered in flour and covered in egg wash, and the other hand will stay clean. So now we're going to mix these in the egg wash and then the breader. Mix that up, and you'll see that we now have coated shrimp that's ready to be deep fried. And one other thing is you might want to leave the tail on the shrimp because it just keeps it from curling up and get real small. It'll give it more of a full look when you're frying it, and also you're eating it, but it'll just keep it from curling up like that. So that's it. So we hope you like this video, and that's how you bread seafood for deep frying. And once again, if you wouldn't mind joining our channel, that'd be great. Hit the subscribe button or hit the like button. We'd appreciate that. And once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. We appreciate you watching our video. Have a great day, and check back in for more videos to come. Thank you.